Before there was breath, there was fire. In the heart of dying stars billions of years ago, oxygen was born from fusion. 8 protons, 8 neutrons, 8 electrons dancing in perfect symmetry. This element, forged in cosmic violence, would become the invisible architect of everything we call life. Look at an oxygen atom. It's hungry, desperate even. With 6 electrons in its outer shell, it craves 2 more to achieve stability. When 2 oxygen atoms find each other, they form O2, the molecule you're breathing right now. But this isn't a simple partnership. They share electrons in a double bond so strong, so stable, that it takes tremendous energy to break them apart. And yet, inside your cells, this happens billions of times per second. Welcome to the mitochondria, the powerhouse of your cells, where oxygen performs its greatest magic. Here, in structures smaller than a wavelength of light, oxygen accepts electrons at the end of a molecular assembly line called the electron transport chain. This isn't just chemistry, it's alchemy. As oxygen captures those electrons, it triggers a cascade that produces ATP, the universal energy currency of life. Every breath you take delivers oxygen to 37 trillion cells. Each cell contains hundreds of mitochondria. Each mitochondrion can produce up to 36 ATP molecules from a single glucose molecule, but only if oxygen is present. Without oxygen, you get 2 ATP molecules. With oxygen, you get 36. This is why you breathe. This is why your heart beats. Oxygen multiplies your life force 18-fold. But here's where it gets mystical. The oxygen you just inhaled might have been exhaled by a whale in the Pacific Ocean last month, or released by a rainforest tree in the Amazon yesterday, or breathed by Cleopatra 2,000 years ago. Oxygen cycles through all living things, connecting us in an invisible web of shared breath. Plants are oxygen's other face, the creators where animals are consumers. Through photosynthesis, plants split water molecules, liberating oxygen as what they call waste. But this waste is our treasure. 600 million years ago, cyanobacteria began this process, slowly filling Earth's atmosphere with oxygen. The Great Oxidation Event, they call it. It was the greatest pollution event in Earth's history, and it made complex life possible. Today, the Amazon rainforest produces 20% of Earth's oxygen. Every tree is a factory, every leaf a solar panel, splitting water and carbon dioxide, assembling glucose, and releasing oxygen as a gift. You are breathing the exhalation of forests. Your outbreath feeds the trees. Their outbreath feeds you. This is not metaphor, this is molecular reality. Now, let's go deeper into the quantum realm. Recent discoveries in quantum biology reveal that oxygen plays a role in processes we're only beginning to understand. In the electron transport chains of your mitochondria, electrons don't just move, they tunnel through barriers that classical physics says should be impenetrable. Quantum tunneling happening in your cells right now. Some birds navigate using quantum entanglement in radical pairs, molecules with unpaired electrons, often involving oxygen. The Earth's magnetic field affects these quantum states, giving birds an internal compass. Oxygen, it seems, bridges the quantum and classical worlds, the microscopic and the conscious. Could oxygen be involved in consciousness itself? Some researchers propose that quantum coherence in microtubules sustained by oxygen-dependent processes might play a role in awareness. It's speculative, yes, but consider this. Your brain uses 20% of your body's oxygen despite being only 2% of your body weight. Consciousness is expensive and it runs on oxygen. There's a meditation practice in this science. Every breath is an exchange with the entire biosphere. You are not separate from the forest, the ocean, the atmosphere. You are a temporary pattern in the flow of oxygen, a brief eddy in the river of breath that connects all life. Oxygen is paradox. It gives life and takes it. Oxidation is aging, rusting, burning. It's the most abundant element in Earth's crust, yet it took billions of years to accumulate in the atmosphere. It's invisible, yet it glows pale blue when liquefied. It's simple, yet it enables the most complex chemistry in the universe. Take a breath now. Feel it. That oxygen entering your lungs will be in your bloodstream in seconds, in your brain in heartbeats, powering thoughts, enabling this very moment of awareness. You are not breathing. You are being breathed by the planet, by the forests, by the ancient legacy of cyanobacteria and the dying stars that forged every oxygen atom in your body. This is the wonder of oxygen. It's simultaneously the most ordinary and most extraordinary thing in your life. Every breath is a miracle you've forgotten to notice until now.